So you find yourself sending out the same information over and over again. Let's say customers regularly ask for your opening hours. Well, how about you make your life easier by simply using Gmail auto responses? I'm Greco from Saperis, and I'll show you how to use Gmail's auto response functionality. Here we see Jane's inbox, and the first thing we'll have to do is that we have to enable auto responses, and that we do by clicking here on Settings. There you go. And we say on the Advanced tab that we'll enable templates. We save that change. There you go. Because what we'll do is we'll compose a message. Here I have short little text that I'll be using. Opening hours. And we'll now save this message as a template. There you go. We'll save that. We close that. So far, so good. What we'll now do is say that each and every email that comes in and contains the words opening hours will receive the following template, opening hours. Create a filter. There you go. In the meantime, I'll send an email via my mobile that actually has this as a subject. And what we'll afterwards see in a couple of seconds is that the template I created, so the opening hours template, would automatically be sent to the person who sent me that message. Here we go. This is the conversation between Greco and Jane Example, and this is our template that we created. This is our automated response that got sent out. And you see, it's that easy, automating your life and giving you time for more important things. Thank you.